Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a clan in Golf Clash. Joining a clan in Golf Clash allows you to team up with other players, compete in clan leagues, and earn rewards together. To join into a clan, first of all, launch the Golf Clash app on your mobile device. Also ensure that you're logged into your account. Once you are in the homepage, tap on the Clan tab at the bottom right corner. After you're inside the Clans tab, make sure that you are clicked on the Join tab. Inside Join, find the clan you'd like to join into. You will see a list of recommended clans based on your level. You can also choose the Advanced Search option and type in the name of the clan, location, and so on to find a specific clan by name. After finding the clan you'd like to join into, tap on the clan's name and then click on the Join button in green. Right after you do that, you will then be able to join into a clan. Once you join in a clan, you can chat with members, participate in clan leagues, and earn rewards together. Remember that some clans have trophy requirements. If you don't meet the requirement, you won't be able to join in. Joining an open clan is instant, but closed clans require approval. And that is how you easily join into a clan in Golf Clash. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.